What's up, everybody? Mac here with Dent Repair Now for the Auto Appearance Institute. Back to do another door panel. Today we're doing a 2025 Genesis G70. In this video I'm going to do the rear and front door panels. Super simple on what you're going to need for this: impact or screwdriver, a Phillips bit, an extension on an impact or a long screwdriver, and my hockey stick, or I think it's called a steel tool. So let's get right into it. Super simple here. First, behind the door handle, this plate reveals our first Phillips right there. And then down in the door handle, you're going to want to remove this little rubber mat. Pop that out, and there's our second. That is the only two fasteners on this door panel. Let's get that one out. And that one. Set those in a place you're not going to lose them. Now we're going to start. I'm going to start over here because this is somewhere I can get my hand in. And just start working my clips out real nice. Now that this is up, I'm going to work in a circle. Alright, now that we're up at the window, we're going to start lifting up. Pull it back real slow. We're going to unplug our window switch control here. This is the main wire to the door. That lifts straight up. And then here, for the door cables, all you got to do is push this forward and lift it out. There's the rear. Now we're going to hop up to the front. Alright, now up at the front door, it is the exact same thing. Two Phillips starting behind the door handle. And again, this rubber mat in the door handle here, or armrest. Alright, there's that. Now again, our two fasteners are going to be here in the door handle and down here. For this, there's only one more step that I do, as I'm going to pop this mirror cap cover with a mirror mounting cover. Just be real careful. This comes out. Okay, this is gonna, yep. So there's that, and now all we gotta do is work our way around the door again. Nice little pull, got me all of it. Lift up the outside corner first, roll it back here with gentle. Now we have our speaker plug here, and our window switch control here. And then again, the cables, push that forward, and your door panel is off. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope this helped you guys. Check back on my page for any other tips and tricks or more door panels you need, and thank you for watching.